Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create awesome looking logos in Canva. In earlier times, it used to be very difficult to make logos since there were only softwares like Photoshop, InDesign, etc. And they are actually quite difficult to work with since they are not very beginner friendly. But now we have Canva, and trust me guys, it does an amazing job in making almost every creative work, every creative design that you want to make. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So search for logo on Canva. You simply have to click on this button, and here you go. Click on logo. Its ratio size is 500 into 500 pixels. Create on logo. Now you will see a blank page like this, and you can see thousands of templates from where you can customize according to your own needs. But if you want to make from scratch, you can also do that. We will just take a template and work on it. So you need to know what type of logo do you want to make. If it's related to food or technology or anything just type here. I will make a logo related to technology. So I'm going to write technology, and it's showing me many templates. I'm just going to click on this one, and now we will customize it according to our own needs. We can change its color, we can change its elements, we can change many things in it. So I'm just going to type the name of our channel here. Okay, so I will increase this size, and I will also like to change the font. So you can change the font from here. Choose any font you want. I am just gonna select this one. Okay, so now we can change the background color too. I would prefer the color to be white. Okay, no. Okay, so we just leave it as it is. You can change the color if you want. And now we'll also add some elements. You can change this here. So I will choose a laptop. I'm going to search for a laptop. And from here you can change the logo. Click on graphics. Okay. So I'm gonna just select this one. Click on this logo and then click on. Alright, we are gonna remove this and put this element here and decrease its size maybe. And center this. Okay, so as you can see, our logo looks quite decent and amazing. The reason why I edited it very minimally because logos should not look very complex. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Make sure to hit the like button and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Have a good day.